If you're looking for the best 4K capable projector, many choices are available, although true 4K projectors are extremely expensive and out of reach of most shoppers. For that reason, all of the projectors on this list use pixel shifting technology, which outputs multiple 1080p images and shifts the pixels in such a way as to cause them to overlap. With the help of image processing, the resulting projection is much sharper than a traditional 1080p projection. And the technology allows for much cheaper products than native 4K projectors with comparable image quality. We've bought and tested more than 40 projectors, and below, you'll find the best pixel-shifting models to buy. We only cover consumer models, not high-end products meant for enthusiasts. If you're shopping for something less expensive, check out the best cheap projectors. Or, if you're looking for a projector for your home but don't necessarily need it to have 4K pixel-shifting technology, look at our lists of the best projectors and best home projectors. You can also vote on which projectors you want us to purchase and test. We have listed the best 4K projector 2024, and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Epson Pro Cinema LS11000. The Epson Pro Cinema LS11000 is a remarkable projector that sets a new standard for home theater experiences. With its advanced 4K Pro UHD technology, it delivers stunningly sharp and vibrant images that bring movies, sports, and gaming to life like never before. The LS11000 features a powerful laser light source that not only enhances brightness, but also ensures longevity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content for years without worrying about lamp replacement. One of the standout features of the LS11000 is its impressive color accuracy, which is achieved through Epson's proprietary 3LCD technology. This means you can expect rich, true-to-life colors that make every scene pop, whether you're watching a blockbuster film or your favorite TV series. Additionally, the projector supports HDR, high dynamic range, allowing for deeper blacks and brighter highlights, creating a more dynamic range of contrast that enhances the viewing experience. The LS11000 also offers versatile installation options, including lens shift and zoom capabilities, making it easier to fit into various room layouts. Its quiet operation ensures you won't be distracted by fan noise during intense movie moments or gaming sessions. Moreover, it comes equipped with a comprehensive set of connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1, which supports 4K 120Hz gaming, making it an excellent choice for gamers looking to maximize their console's performance. In summary, the Epson Pro Cinema LS11000 isn't just a projector, it's a gateway to immersive entertainment. Number 4. LG Cinebeam Q. The LG Cinebeam Q is a remarkable addition to the world of home entertainment, combining advanced projection technology with user-friendly features to enhance your viewing experience. As a high-quality projector, it offers stunning picture clarity and vibrant colors, making it ideal for movie nights, gaming sessions, or even professional presentations. One of the standout features of the Cinebeam Q is its impressive resolution capabilities, often supporting 4K output, which brings your favorite films and shows to life with incredible detail. Coupled with high brightness levels, this projector performs exceptionally well in various lighting conditions, allowing you to enjoy a cinematic experience in the comfort of your own home, regardless of the time of day. Additionally, the LG Cinebeam Q is designed with versatility in mind. Its compact and stylish design makes it easy to set up in any room, while its wireless connectivity options allow for seamless streaming from your favorite devices. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, connecting to the projector is a breeze, eliminating the clutter of cables and enhancing portability. Moreover, the Cinebeam Q boasts an intuitive interface that simplifies navigation and control. With built-in smart features, users can access popular streaming platforms directly from the projector, making it a truly all-in-one entertainment solution. In terms of sound, the LG Cinebeam Q doesn't fall short either. Many models come equipped with built-in speakers that deliver clear audio, or you can easily connect external sound systems for an even more immersive experience. Number 3. Epson EpiQ Vision Ultra LS800. The Epson EpiQ Vision Ultra LS800 represents a significant leap forward in the realm of home entertainment projectors. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, delivering an immersive viewing experience that rivals traditional large-screen TVs. One of the standout features of the LS800 is its impressive 4K Pro UHD resolution, which ensures stunningly sharp images and vivid colors, making it perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or even binge-watching your favorite series. The projector utilizes advanced pixel shifting technology to achieve true 4K detail, allowing you to enjoy every nuance and detail in your content. Additionally, the LS800 boasts an ultra-short throw design, enabling it to project a massive screen size from just a few inches away from the wall. This makes it an ideal choice for those with limited space, as it can transform a small room into a home theater without the need for a complicated setup. Epson has also incorporated impressive brightness levels into the LS800, with up to 4,000 lumens of color brightness, ensuring that your images remain vibrant even in well-lit environments. Coupled with the projector's high dynamic contrast ratio, this feature enhances the overall picture quality, providing deeper blacks and brighter whites for an engaging visual experience. Furthermore, the EpiQ Vision Ultra LS800 is designed with versatility in mind, featuring multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and wireless capabilities. Number 2. Hisense L9G Trichroma Laser 4K TV. The Hisense L9G Trichroma Laser 4K TV represents an exciting leap forward in home entertainment technology, setting new standards for picture quality and color reproduction. Unlike traditional LED TVs, the L9G utilizes advanced laser technology to deliver a wider color gamut, which means it can reproduce colors with remarkable accuracy and vibrancy. This is thanks to its trichroma laser system, which uses 3 separate lasers, red, green, and blue, to create a more extensive range of shades and tones. One of the standout features of the L9G is its 4K resolution, providing 4 times the detail of full HD. This clarity brings your favorite movies, shows, and gaming experiences to life like never before, making even the smallest details pop. Additionally, the TV is equipped with HDR, high dynamic range, capabilities, which enhances contrast and brightness, ensuring that dark scenes are rich in detail while bright scenes remain stunningly vibrant. The design of the Hisense L9G is equally impressive, featuring a sleek and modern aesthetic that seamlessly fits into any living space. Its ultra-short throw design allows it to project a large image from a very short distance, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space. This means you can enjoy a massive screen experience without the need for a large room. Number 1. Samsung. The Premier. Samsung. The Premier is an innovative projector that redefines the home cinema experience. Unlike traditional projectors, the Premier boasts a compact design that allows it to be placed close to the wall, transforming any space into a cinematic haven. With its ultra-short throw technology, it can project a stunning image size of up to 130 inches, filling your room with vibrant colors and incredible detail. One of the standout features of the Premier is its 4K resolution, which delivers sharp and lifelike visuals that bring your favorite movies and shows to life. Coupled with HDR10 Plus technology, it enhances the contrast and brightness, allowing you to enjoy a more dynamic range of colors, making every scene visually captivating. In addition to its impressive picture quality, Samsung the Premier integrates seamlessly with smart home systems, allowing you to control it via voice commands or through the SmartThings app. This means you can easily access your favorite streaming services, browse content, and adjust settings without needing to fumble with remotes. Moreover, the built-in 2.2-channel audio system, featuring 30 watts of power, ensures that the sound matches the stunning visuals. You can experience rich, immersive audio without the need for additional speakers, making it a hassle-free solution for your home entertainment setup.